Hi mathematicians, in this video we are going to write some inequalities that are a little bit more complex, and it says that a slice of pizza costs $3.50 and to use P for slices of pizza. So we'll represent that as $3.50 times P. Then it says you have $25 in your wallet. So if you have $25, that is the most you can spend because that's all you have to spend on pizza. So that means for the inequality, you could spend exactly equal to $25. So remember that inequality symbol there means I could spend exactly $25, but I can't spend more than $25 because $25 is all I have. So I can spend $25 or less than $25. So the inequality for this situation would be A. $3.50 per slice of pizza has to be less than or equal to $25. For example number 2, it says Johnny earns $15 per hour of dog walking. So every hour that he walks a dog, he makes $15. So that is going to be 15 times H, because it told us to use the letter H for all of our options. And he wants to earn at least $105. So that means he would be okay. That at least means the smallest amount that he wants to earn. So he could earn exactly $100. So we do need an inequality symbol that has an equal to sign as part of it, because $105 exactly would be okay to buy a bike, but he's certainly not going to complain. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay, sorry, I forgot to write the 105 right there. But he's not going to be angry if he makes an amount that is greater than $105. So this inequality is 15 times the number of hours needs to be greater than or equal to 105. So those are 2 examples exactly like what you're getting ready to do for your last practice assignment. And please let me know if you have questions.